Hey, how are you doing? If you're still watching the video, so probably you like to be super fit, healthy, and you love cook delicious and healthy food. So today I'll share more tips about healthy sweets, and not only sweets, but what you can cook from things you have like outside your door in your garden or whatever. So yeah, like I suggest you before, some people who stay somewhere like in Russia have a lot of pumpkins. You can cook a lot of things from pumpkins and radish and whatever. And if you have, let's say, a lot of bananas, you can cook a lot of things from bananas, like we will do today. So as I traveled quite a lot before and collect a lot of tips and make a lot of experiments with the food, I'm really glad to share it with you, absolutely for free. So if you have a lot of bananas, what you can do? So basically, different types of bananas, really suitable for different purposes. Let's say some you can dry, what small and really sweet, some less sweet. So basically you can cook something spicy, salty, sour, whatever, and some really sweet. So like regular normal bananas, you can cut on slices and dry under the sun like that. It's a little bit not dried yet, but it should be okay. Then you can make the flour from the bananas. So basically you can do it manually, it's really easy to do it, or you can use the blender, let's say. And from the flour of bananas you can make a really lot of things. So you can make a different kind of sauces. So if it's sweet bananas, it will be sweet sauce. If not, it can be not sweet sauce. Yeah, you can make the candy like we done before from different kind of berries, like Chinese palms and other different kind of dried berries, goji berries and spice, raisins, whatever. So basically you can use that all recipes, whatever. So let's make the powder and see what will happen next and what we can do from it. Well, just 1 minute and it's ready, super quick. Not same with the nuts, like we done with the nuts before. So we have a little bit of powder, same like we done from the almond powder. So basically we can do the same sweets like we done from the almond powder and same sauces, but as almond or cashew nuts or hazelnuts, they're not sweet, so you have more variety of what you can do from it. So yeah, you can do not only ice cream from the bananas. So I ran just a bit just for show the example. So basically don't be shy for make a lot of experiments at home with your food. At least you can have fun with your wife or kids or whatever. So basically it's more try you'll do, more options you might get. So basically we have a different type of taste. So some people like more sour, more sweet, or more spicy, whatever. So it's banana flour, what is just made. So let's say you can make some sauces from it. So it's 1 million of variety what you can do with it. But we will make some candies from the flour. And again, it's just for show the example. So you can create like 1 million recipes by yourself. So I want to add a little bit of sesame seeds. I have like a lot of types of different kind of sesame seeds. And yeah, let's make it with a chocolate taste. So probably I will add like tablespoon of cocoa powder, and it's a little bit dry, so add tablespoon of coconut oil approximately, and a tablespoon of honey. So basically we need it for make it stick. Also you can use some kind of rice milk or almond milk or water, whatever, because it's really dry, it will not stick. I think a tablespoon will be enough. It will be not enough, you can add a little bit more, but I'm afraid to not make it too sweet because banana's sweet already. And mix it up. I think you can do it in a blender as well. Probably need to try it. I will try it the next time. So with any nuts, with any seeds, you can do like really a lot of stuff. So it can be sweet, it can be not sweet. You can make kind of cupcakes and you can put it in the oven and etc, etc. If you have some forms, you can put it and squeeze it in the forms, make it really nice hearts or cubes or anything else. Or you can do everything manually by your hands, how usually I do it. So basically all of the preparation take less than 5 minutes. So you can dry your bananas and then you can make the flour, and each time you need to cook something, bam, you do it in a minute, super quick. So you can impress your friends how quick you can do it. Okay, so it's what we have, really nice mess. So let's see, can we stick it or not. So you can add some nuts to it or seeds, so it will be even better ingredients, because for now it's quite a lot of carbs in there. And I think it would be a good idea, you can add some protein powder to here, and we have some kind of candies like that. Okay, so let's make the degustation. Sometimes I make quite brave experiments with the food and it not tastes good, so only best recipes for you. You know what? It reminds me kind of soft chocolate brownie, double dark chocolate brownie. It's really cool. I would add here some sunflower seeds and some nuts, maybe walnuts or almond, little bit, and it will looks much better. I mean, tastes much better, better ingredients. So maybe some little bit of some protein powder, rice protein, coconut powder, or whatever. Oh yeah, also we can add coconut chips. By the way, next video I will tell you what we can do from it. That's it. So basically, it's not that much calories here. It tastes just amazing, and you can make it super quick. So healthy, tasty food exists. So more experience, more recipes, and my discoveries I will share later, so stay tuned.